Welcome, students. Today, in the lesson Molecular Basis of Inheritance, I am going to start a new topic, and it is the search for the genetic material. Miescher was the scientist who discovered nuclein. This nuclein today has been approved, or it is declared to be the DNA or the nucleic acid like DNA and RNA, which is present in the nucleus of the cell. And Mendel proposed the principle of inheritance almost at the same time. By the year 1926, the quest to determine the mechanism of genetic inheritance had reached to molecular level. Discovery, findings, and research by Mendel, Punnett, and T.H. Morgan, and many others did a lot of work for the workers who did their experiments later on confined the area of research to chromosomes. In this series, in the year 1928, Frederick Griffith performed a series of experiments with Streptococcus pneumoniae, a bacteria that causes pneumonia-like disease, and found miraculous transformation in bacteria. Griffith, in his experiment, selected two different strains of bacteria. One was the S strain of bacteria and the other was the R strain of bacteria. This S strain stands for the smooth surface of the bacteria, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and the R strain stands for the rough surface of the bacterial strain. This smooth strain or S strain bacteria was found to be virulent, whereas the R strain of bacteria was avirulent. S strain bacteria, when taken and injected into the mice, Griffith found that the bacteria had caused pneumonia-like disease in the mouse and mice had died. Again, when he injected R strain of bacteria into the mouse, he found that the bacteria which was of R strain did not cause pneumonia-like disease in the mice and mice survived. It didn't succumb the disease pneumonia. Later in his experiment, Griffith took some new step. He took the S strain of bacteria and heated the bacteria. By heating, the S strain was killed. And this S strain was again injected into the mice. He found that the mice was healthy. It didn't succumb the disease pneumonia. Later on, he mixed the heat-killed S strain of bacteria and the R strain of bacteria, and this mixture of heat-killed S strain and R strain were injected into the mice. The mice, this mixture of the two strains, one the heat-killed S strain and the other one was the R strain, this mixture caused pneumonia-like disease in the mice and mice had died. On this finding or on this observation, Griffith came to the conclusion that the R strain bacteria was able to transform the heat-killed S strain bacteria. Rather, the heat-killed S strain of bacteria was able to transform the R strain bacteria into the virulent bacteria. This was the experiment performed by Griffith, and in my next video, I shall discuss the further experiments performed by different scientists in the field and the conclusion of the Griffith's experiment also. Thank you.